Here are some disadvantages of stratified security. While security layers are essential for protecting systems, data, and networks, they also come with certain disadvantages. Here are some common disadvantages associated with security layers. Complexity. Implementing multiple security layers can increase the complexity of a system. This complexity may lead to difficulties in configuration, management, and troubleshooting. A layered security model can be complex and difficult to manage, especially if different layers are implemented by different vendors or teams. This can result in increased costs and complexity in the long term. Cost. Building and maintaining a comprehensive security infrastructure can be expensive. This includes the costs associated with acquiring and updating security tools, hiring skilled personnel, and ongoing training. Performance impact. Some security measures, such as encryption and deep packet inspection, can introduce latency and negatively impact the performance of systems. This is particularly relevant for real-time applications and high-performance computing environments. User experience. Strict security measures may inconvenience users. For example, multi-factor authentication or complex password requirements can be cumbersome for users, potentially leading to resistance in adhering to security policies. False positives and negatives. Overly aggressive security layers may generate false positives, incorrectly identifying legitimate activities as threats, or false negatives, failing to detect actual threats. Balancing the sensitivity of security measures is crucial to avoid unnecessary disruptions or vulnerabilities. Compatibility issues. Different security tools and layers may not always be compatible with each other. Integration challenges can arise, leading to gaps in security coverage or conflicts that compromise the effectiveness of the security infrastructure. Maintenance overhead. Regular updates, patches, and maintenance are essential for keeping security layers effective. Failure to update security measures promptly can result in vulnerabilities that attackers may exploit. Over-reliance on technology. Depending solely on technology-driven security measures can create a false sense of security. Effective security also requires human oversight, policy enforcement, and a proactive response to emerging threats. User inconvenience. Some security measures, such as complex password requirements or two-factor authentication, can be inconvenient for users and may result in decreased productivity or user frustration. Integration issues. Different layers of security may not always integrate seamlessly, which can create additional complexity and potential vulnerabilities. This can be particularly challenging when implementing new security measures or integrating new systems into an existing security framework. Training and awareness. Users and administrators need to be adequately trained to understand and adhere to security policies. Lack of awareness or understanding can lead to unintentional security breaches. Resource intensiveness. Certain security measures, such as continuous monitoring, threat intelligence analysis, and incident response, can be resource-intensive. Small organizations with limited resources may find it challenging to implement and maintain robust security layers. To address these disadvantages, organizations must carefully plan and implement security measures, balancing the need for protection with considerations for usability, cost, and performance. Regular reviews and updates to security policies are also crucial to adapting to evolving threats and technologies.